Are you ready for Nokia's biggest comeback? The Nokia 76110 Ultra 5G is here and it's changing the game. A 5G phone at just $70? Let's dive into its exclusive first look, price and launch details. This phone is a perfect mix of old and new. A 5.5-inch HD Plus LCD with a 90Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and a classic keypad for that nostalgic feel. Touchscreen plus keypad? That's next level retro. Love photography? The 108mm primary sensor captures insane details, backed by 8MP plus 5mm lenses. Selfie lovers? There's a 32mm front camera to keep you looking sharp. Running on Android 14 with a Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor, this phone ensures smooth gaming and multitasking. Plus, the 4000 mAh battery with Type-C fast charging keeps you powered all day. The biggest shocker? This 5G beast is launching at just $70. A flagship killer in the budget segment. Expected release early 2026. What do you think about Nokia's epic comeback? Will you buy the 7610 Ultra 5G? Let us know in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more exclusive tech reveals.